In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find if you have been restricted from using any features on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so sometimes if you violate community guidelines of Threads, then some features might be restricted on your account. To see this information, first go to Threads app and tap on it to open. And from here, go to your profile icon down below and tap on it. Then you should see these lines on top here. Tap on it and go down to account status. By going to account status, you should see actions we have taken section, and under it, go to features you can't use. If you tap on this, now here you'll be able to see a list of features that have been restricted on your account. As you can see, currently I'm told you can use all Threads features right now because my account has not violated any community standards. And you're told what this means, that you have access to features like commenting, following, and even liking. So if any of these was restricted on your account, you should be able to see them here and the reason why they were restricted. So that's how you can find features that you can't use or that are restricted on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.